Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best voltage testers available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for a reliable tool to ensure electrical safety or troubleshoot wiring, you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Voltage Tester Non-Contact Voltage Detector in bright orange. This is our budget pick, and for just $7.19, it promises a lot of functionality for its price. It features 3 adjustable voltage detection ranges: 12 volts, 48 volts, and 70 volts to 1000 volts AC. The live and null wire detection capabilities are complemented by a handy buzzer alarm and a built-in flashlight, making it a good choice for low-light environments. In terms of design, it's lightweight and compact, but the build quality is where you notice its budget-friendly nature. The plastic feels a bit flimsy, and it may not stand up to heavy-duty use. Performance-wise, it's decent for small, occasional tasks, like checking outlets or detecting breaks in wires. However, the voltage detection can sometimes be inconsistent, particularly in the lowest range. This product is ideal for casual DIYers or homeowners who need a basic voltage tester for light use. While it lacks premium features, the value it offers at this price is hard to beat. Its biggest pros are affordability and the inclusion of a flashlight, but its durability and occasional inaccuracy hold it back from ranking higher. Number 4, we have the Astro AI VTS 1000H voltage tester with screwdriver. For $9.99, this device offers a dual-range voltage detection system, 12 volts and 70 volts to 1000 volts AC, and comes with a unique LCD percentage display that shows the strength of the detected voltage. It also features an audible alarm and the ability to locate wire breakpoints, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Design-wise, the red body and integrated screwdriver add functional appeal, but the plastic feels slightly more robust than their number 5 pick. The LCD display is a standout feature, giving users a quick visual indication of voltage levels, which is especially helpful for beginners. That said, the audible alarm could be louder, as it might be hard to hear in noisy environments. This device excels in its balance of affordability and functionality, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts and light electrical work. However, the lack of a flashlight and slightly weaker alarm keep it from climbing higher in our rankings. It's a good step up from basic testers, offering more precision without a significant price jump. And finally, at the top spot, we have the Fluke 1AC2 Volt Alert Non-Contact Voltage Tester, priced at $28.46. Fluke is a legendary name in electrical tools, and this tester lives up to the reputation. It detects voltage in the 90 to 1000 V AC range and comes with a Cat 4 safety rating, making it perfect for both residential and industrial applications. The tip glows red and emits an audible beep when voltage is detected, ensuring clear, reliable feedback. The build quality is outstanding, with a durable yet lightweight design that fits comfortably in your pocket. It also features a continuous self-test function, giving you peace of mind that it's always operational. The option to switch between audible and silent modes adds convenience, especially in quieter environments. This product is perfect for professionals and anyone who prioritizes safety and accuracy. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the high build quality, reliability, and Fluke's 2-year warranty make it worth the investment. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Fluke 1AC2 is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best voltage tester for your needs. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay safe and happy testing.